Hi, I'm Cole from Cyfarth High School.
Hi, so we've got Cole with us today. Thank you so much, Cole, for taking part in our Upstander workshop.
No problem.
What have you learned from today?
I've learned there's a lot of suicide after bullying, and there's a lot of bullying in the workplace. I didn't realise that until today.
Yeah, great. So a lot of suicide and mental health effects with bullying, and also it happens in the workplace, not just school. So we've had a look at different areas today around where it actually happens. So what have you actually learned that you can take forward to the school?
Like being upstander and prevent bullying, because it's like people suffer from it, and you don't know what's happening behind, like when they go home after it.
Brilliant. So it's becoming an upstander. So there's 3 people involved with the bullying. It's the bullier, the bully, the victim, and also the people that stand by the bullying. So Cole's going to be an upstander now. So if you see people being bullied, you're going to
help prevent.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. And what are you going to do going forward, project-wise? Have you had an idea?
No.
Not yet? So we're going to create some posters or videos?
Yeah, posters, sorry.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for your help.
Okay.